Hi, I'm an AmeriCorps member serving as a digital literacy coordinator with some exciting news. Are you ready to enhance your digital skills and explore limitless opportunities? Join the University of Idaho Extension's Digital Economy Program, American Connection Corps, and Northstar Digital Literacy for free, easy-to-use modules covering everything from essential computer skills to navigating the online world with confidence. Looking to sharpen your skills in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Google Docs? Interested in mastering social media strategies, acing your career search, and handling your digital presence like a seasoned pro? I have you covered. Earn your NDL certificates to help you stand out in today's competitive job market. Whether you're aiming for a new career or pursuing higher education, we've got the tools to help you succeed. Worried about passing NDL's assessments? Don't sweat it. You will receive personal feedback and resources to guide you every step of the way. Join thousands of learners who've already transformed their lives with NDL. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock a brighter future. Call or email me for more information today. I will happily send you more information or answer your questions.